Hey everyone, welcome to Frugal and Bougie, and today we're doing our very first showdown! So Ron, what's the showdown about today? What are we making?
We are making classic grilled cheese sandwiches. Well, I'm making a classic grilled cheese sandwich. I don't know about you.
I'll be making the Bougie grilled cheese sandwich, and we will decide which one, whether it be Frugal or Bougie, will reign supreme in the grilled cheese category.
I feel like I'll do Frugal today because I got some white bread here. I got some Kraft American cheese. What you got, Kyle?
So I have one of my favorite breads, Brioche bread. I have some lemon curd that I made yesterday. I'm going to macerate some...
Lemon curd? What's that?
Lemon curd.
Oh, never heard of it.
Yeah, you're frugal, you wouldn't know. And then I have some blackberries and some Brie cheese. So I'm going to be making a blueberry, lemon curd, Brie grilled cheese. You can't get much bougier than that.
I'm making a classic American grilled cheese sandwich with butter.
And I hope it's great. I'm sure it will be. But we're going to find out which one.
Don't worry, I have a secret ingredient later. That's going to put mine above. Well, what we're going to grade on is we're going to grade on the taste for the price. So we're going to show you how much everything costs later on, and that's what we're going to be grading on. So we'll see. Let's go.
All right.
So for the actual frugal version of the grilled cheese sandwich, it's actually really easy. You take a pan, start it off on medium to low heat, and you put some butter in it. Make sure that you drench the pan all with butter with the piece of white toast right there. I use 2 slices of American cheese, but you can use whatever cheese you have laying around. Remember, this is the frugal version. It's not meant to be bougie. Just use whatever you have. Put another piece of white toast on top, and just let that toast very, very slow for about a good minute and a half. Like I said, you don't have to use American cheese. I like to use a cheddar if you like to be fancy. Put some mozzarella in there, and then once you're ready to flip it, put some more butter in, you can flip it, and this is where you add that secret ingredient. My secret ingredient today is just a little bit of garlic salt. Actually really brings out the flavor, kind of like a Texas toast with some cheese in the middle, right? Let that kind of toast for another good minute, and then when you're ready to take it out, I would usually flip it one more time and put some more garlic salt on, then it's ready to go. So that's how you do it, and here's Kyle making his bougie version.
So for the bougie version, we're going to start off by putting some blueberries in a skillet along with some sugar and water. We're going to cook that on medium heat until you get this nice ooey gooey consistency right here. After that, just transfer that into a bowl, and we're going to get our bread started. It's time to toast it up, honey. We're going to get a piece of brioche bread, slather it with some butter, not country crock, not I can't believe it's not butter, none of that, the real deal. Get that pan nice and lubed up and put that bread buttered side down. Now we're going to start off by layering our grilled cheese here. We're going to start off with some Brie cheese, just kind of lay it down, position it all across that piece of bread. After that, we're going to add some of that delicious lemon curd, just smooth that over that cheese. Then we're going to top that off with that nice blueberry mixture we just made earlier. Get that nice evened out over there. Don't be stingy on those blueberries. Once we get those blueberries nice and evenly covered, we're going to, yes, put some more Brie cheese on top of this. That kind of stretch it out, get it nice and flat, and cover that whole piece of bread. We want this ooey gooey cheesy deliciousness. Going to butter that piece of bread too, lay it on top, and just let it chill out in that nice toasty skillet about 5 minutes on low heat. Flip it over, look at that golden brown deliciousness. So we're back. We finished the grilled cheeses. What do you think, Ron? First look. What do you think?
First look, I'm excited to eat my grilled cheese, but your grilled cheese actually looks pretty good, but I don't know if it's worth the price or not.
I think it is. I mean, I think you have to pay for quality usually, and I think we're going to find out which one's going to be superior to the other. So I'll try yours. You can try mine. I think I'm getting like the crap end of the deal here, but
yours looks more like a blueberry sandwich than like grilled cheese.
There's more forms of grilled cheese. I mean, look, let's compare. I mean, come on, guys. Like, look at the difference here. But
Frugal and Bougie, guys. Cheers.
Cheers. So, okay. It's not bad. It's the grilled cheese I grew up on. It's good, it's cheesy, it's gooey, it's crunchy. I actually toasted the bread very well. It's actually really crispy and buttery. But What about the Bougie grilled cheese?
The Bougie grilled cheese, I will say, it's really good. But for that price, it's kind of expensive. It tastes more like a blueberry sandwich. Can't really taste the cheese as much, but I will say, I think I just have to go with my classic American cheese. This costs less than $1 to make. How much does yours cost?
So mine probably costs around $5.50 to make per sandwich.
$5.50 per sandwich and
Right.
under $1 per sandwich. What do you guys think? You guys think I won? Or do you think Mr. Bougie over here won?
I think the problem is Mr. Frugal has frugal taste buds and isn't able to tell the difference and know what is quality and what isn't. But to each their own. I'm gonna side with for sure the Bougie one. It's just more complex. The Brie cheese, the blueberries.
Did you even taste it yet? You even tasted your own sandwich yet? Didn't taste my
I've
own
made
sandwich.
this plenty of times. I know what it tastes like. Come on, you cannot. I mean, to each their own.
To each their own. So drop a like, guys. If you like mine more, drop a like. If you'd like Kyle's more, drop a dislike.
Just leave a comment down below which one's your favorite. I think we know who's going to win, but just to make Ron feel better, let us know what you think down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this showdown. Let us know which grilled cheese reigns supreme, and we will see you next time on Frugal and Bougie. Bye.
Bye.
Buster, you're gonna Frugal my Bougie sandwich with that cheap cheese? It's not even cheese really, that's being like generous.